Hello friends. Today we will discuss set theory. What is set? Set is an important chapter actually. So we will discuss this. Set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects. So what is collection of well-defined objects? So if I am telling you collect all your kitchen utensils, then you can collect your handy kadai, dekchi, all the things. If I am telling collect all the red color flowers, then you can take hibiscus, red rose. In this way you can take. So set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects. If I am telling make a set of happy people in your city, can you make this set? Because happy मैं जिसको happy बोलूँ तो वो में भी दूसरे के हिसाब से अनहैप्पी हो सकते हैं. तो happy word is a relative word. So this is not a well-defined word. Similarly, if I am telling make a set of all the brilliant people in your city, can you make this set? Brilliant is not also a relative word. So set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Suppose I am writing a set of first 10 natural numbers. These are your first 10 natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and here we denote the set with capital alphabets, and the elements we can denote as small alphabets. And what is element here? So if I am writing 1 in this set, 1 is an element of set A. Similarly, 2 is an element of set A. 3 is one element of set A. Similarly, 10 is also an element of set A. If I am writing 11, is 11 is an element of set A? No, 11 is not an element of set A. So, and the elements are denoted by we will separate these elements by commas. So 1 is an element of set A. So I can write down 1 belongs to set A. Okay, 1 belongs to set A. This is the sign of belongs to. Okay. Similarly, 2 belongs to set A. So if I am taking 11, 11 is not an element of set A. So we can write 11 does not belongs to set A. Okay. And if I am writing another set, let it be B. I am taking elements 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7 and 4 again. So here you see the 2, 3 is repeated twice, 4 is also repeated twice. So in set, we should avoid repetition. Okay, we should avoid repetition. Here there are two methods to represent set. There are two methods to represent set. First one is listing method. और इसको हम रोस्टर मेथड भी बोलते हैं. अदर इज रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर मेथड. Okay, so we'll just discuss the two methods now. What is listing method? What is रूल मेथड. लिस्टिंग मेथड को भी हम रोस्टर मेथड बोलते हैं और रूल मेथड को भी हम सेट बिल्डर मेथड बोलते हैं. तो लेट्स डिस्कस लिस्टिंग मेथड. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग ए सेट B having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this set all the elements are taking from 1 to 5. We are listing this method. The elements are listed here. Suppose I am writing, take a set of first 100 natural numbers. Then you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 100. If I am writing a set having the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in this way. So these are the even numbers, some even numbers. These are the first 5 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. If I am telling write down first 20 even numbers, then I am telling write down first 30 even numbers. So when you are writing, it takes time. It's a tedious way to write all the elements, and it also takes a space, lot of space also it's taking. So this method is not convenient to write all the numbers or all the things in this way. So that there is another method developed, that is called rule method. What is rule method? We will just discuss. In rule method, the elements satisfies a single rule. जो सारे एलिमेंट्स है ना सेट में, वो एक सिंगल रूल को फॉलो करेंगे, एंड वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दैट रूल ओनली. सपोज लेट्स आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल हियर. सपोज सेट C I am taking x such that x is a even number, x less than equal to 20, and your x belongs to set of natural number. Then here, what is x? What is this sign? What is x less than equal to 20, and what is x is a even number? I want to just discuss this. This is in the form of set builder method, one set this is, and it is in the form of your rule method, that is x. x is nothing but the element of the set. x कुछ नहीं है, ये set का element है, and x is a even number. x कैसा element है? It is a even number and x less than equal to 20. हम लोग जो x का जो numbers लिखेंगे वो less than equal to 20 होना चाहिए, और x belongs to set of natural number. So I am just expressing this set from your set builder method to listing method. That is, you can understand this, that this the sign is such that sign. The sign is such that sign, and x is nothing but the element of the set. So just I am writing the elements. So x even number you know, and x belongs to set of natural number. The condition is given x less than equal to 20. So I am writing, you know, 2, 4. Then what can I write? 6. Tell me. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. In this way. So as x less than equal to 20, we can take the elements, take the even numbers till 20. So that these are this is the conversion from your set builder method to listing method. If one question is in this form, this is given, suppose the question is this: C is a set having elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then how can you write from this listing method to set builder method? Then you can write down the set C is equal to, you can take always a curly bracket to denote set, x such that x is a even number, because the numbers are even numbers. So I am writing x is a even number and x less than equal to 20, x belongs to set N. Okay. So you can understand this set builder method, roster method. Both the methods you can understand. Then suppose I am writing a set D D is a set having elements -3 and 3. So this is an example of a set of listing method. The elements are -3 and 3. So if I am writing this in the form of another form, so you can write down x such that x is a element of the set where x square is equal to 9. Yes. If I am telling x square is equal to 9, then x value must be -3 and 3. Next, we will discuss some questions of the exercise. This is I am discussing class 9 CBSE set theory. I am giving you one more. Suppose one set A is given 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. You know, this is in the form of your set listing method. You have to convert this set to set builder method. How can you convert this? You know, these are all cube numbers. This is 1 cube, this is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and 5 cube. So I want to write here x such that x is equal to n cube. N belongs to the set of a natural number and n your less than equal to 5. Okay. So you can take, if I am taking n is equal to here 1, what I am getting x value? X is equal to 1 cube, that is 1. If I am taking, because n less than equal to 5 means n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. So when I am taking n is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 cube, that is coming 8. So first number you got 1, next number you got 8. When n is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 cube, that is 27. Then you are getting the third element. When n is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 cube, that is 64. You are getting the fourth element. Last the n is equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 cube, that is 125. So this rule method, this rule is satisfied all the elements of the set. So this is the conversion from your listing method to your set builder method. Are you all clear? Next, we'll do one more question. Suppose I am writing one set C that is given in this question, x such that x is an integer and -4 less than x less than 4. Okay, so this is you have to convert this, and you know this is in set builder form में है. We have to convert this set to listing method. Okay, let's convert. So x so that x is an integer. Okay, x is an integer and x lies between -4 to +4. So what are the elements? You can tell the elements must be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Because -4 less than x less than 4. So this is the set from your this is the listing method. The question is in the form of set builder method. So we converted from set builder method to listing method. Okay. One more question. Another question I am giving you. Suppose I am writing the set y, that is the elements are given 1, 1 by 8, 1 by 27, 1 by 64 and 1 by 125. So now you just write down this is the listing, this is in the form of listing method, this set is. We have to convert this to set builder. Okay, let's convert. So you see this is 1, you can write down in place of 1, 1 by cube, that is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. This is 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8, 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 27, 1 by 4 cube, 1 by 64, 1 by 5 cube, that is 125. 1 by 125. So I can write down now this x such that, as this is in the form of x such that x is equal to 1 by n cube, where n belongs to set of natural number and n less than equal to 5. We can say that our rule, is it satisfied by all the elements of the set? Let's check. So n less than equal to 5. So n I can take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So x is equal to 1 by 1 cube, the elements 1 by 1, that is 1. You are getting the first element. Next, x is equal to 1 by 2 cube, that is 1 by 8. You are getting the second element. Similarly, when n is equal to 3, so 1 by 3 cube, that is 1 by 27. You are getting the third element. Similarly, when n is equal to 4, 1 by 4 cube, that is 1 by 64. You are getting this fourth element. When n is equal to 5, last 1 by 5 cube, 1 by 125, you are getting the last element. So this is the conversion. How to, this is the, you see, this will convert from our rule method to listing method. This is the opposite. This is from your listing rule method to, this is rule method to listing method. This is listing method to set builder method or rule method. So this is the conversion, how to express the set. I think you can understand this. Next video we will see type of set. Okay, thank you.